So I decided to take an X-ray on the foot because she wasn't bearing any weight, so I just wanted to make sure all the bone structures are fine, which is the case. So I'm not seeing any broken part, and this is the medial side where the lesion is right here, and the metatarsal bones are all okay. I'm not seeing any dislocation either. So yeah, it's only superficial. I don't know what exactly happened, but given the different locations of the injury, I'm pretty sure she got tumbled, slightly hit by a car. She should fully recover. So this is a part of the lacerations that this puppy endured. I'm suspicious of some kind of a light car accident. So I'm scraping off the skin because it already started healing last night. So I'm kind of traumatizing the surfaces. So when I put them back together with either stitches or staples, they can actually unite. Them together, it should heal just fine. Skin stapler, nothing fancy. You always meet the middle first. That should be it.